¿Qué tal amigos? Saul here from Decoding the Market. Happy to be here sharing more information. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Hoping you are doing well and enjoying your Sunday with your family and friends. Today is Sunday, November 8th. Let's get ready for these upcoming days and make a profitable week. As I mentioned in my previous video, the market may show some volatility due to the presidential results. Will it be very interesting to see how the market will react, especially the dollar, USD. At this moment, I can see a couple possibilities. Today, I will share more technical analysis of USD dollar, Canadian dollar. But nevertheless, I will recommend to pay attention in this particular area that the price may touch in the coming days. If you notice, the price is having a resistance right here in this level, and the lows on September basically is the lowest year. But if the price cannot make it above this area, may the price touch this area. If you notice, I'm gonna show you this green line and blue line, that what that means. Let me show you the green line. It's showing the lows price levels on 2018, and then the lows is touching the lows in the 2020 right up here, and the lows 2021, which is right up here. That's why I've been explaining to you guys the possibility that the price can touch this area, because it looks like it's very strong support price, but we need to pay attention what we are going to do in the next coming days, because the market, especially the dollar, US dollar, will show some volatility, expecting what Biden will do in the next coming days, and the price may show some reaction to the uptrend. But I'm gonna explain it to you what we can expect. Pay attention in this particular area that I already explained it to you guys. If the price, let me make it a little bit bigger, right up here, to make it clear for everyone. Okay, if the coming days the price touch this EMA, if the price get a resistance in this particular area, the price may come back and touch this price level, which would be 1.3067. That is the first reaction that the price can make. If the price close above this EMA, close to the second EMA, this green line, it may show us a strain price to the uptrend, and that is what we can expect. But as long as the price don't exceed this particular area, the price may continue to the downtrend. If the price get a resistance right here, it's a sure thing that is going to touch this particular area that I already showed you guys. So we need to pay attention, because in the next coming days the price can have a very quick reaction to the uptrend and the downtrend, but we can pay attention in our support levels and resistance levels following the trend lines to the downtrend and the uptrend as well. That is the focus we need to get in the next coming days to make our best decision to be in the right side of the market. Like I said, I'm gonna explain it to you in more in details with some errors. Number one, if the price exceed this yellow line and close the price close to the next EMA, it may show us that the price can continue to the uptrend and touch this EMI. Let me make it a little bit more clear right here. This line may continue right here and have some resistance right up here. Let me put it right here, and the price may have some resistance right up here and touch once again this level right here. If the price get a support right here, give me 1 second, guys. The price may touch this support, and if close above this EMA, yes, the price can continue to the uptrend. That is our first clue to go long. The other option to go short, if the price, like I said before, find a resistance below this yellow line. Let me change the color just to make it more clear right here. And if the price find a resistance and close below this yellow line, yes, the price can come back to the original price that we are right now, which is Sunday the 8th, and then may go, if close and touch with a strong momentum, the price may continue to the downtrend and touch this particular area. But if this area, if we get to this area, I will consider, like I said before, that is a strong support and go long, expecting that the price may touch right up here. And like I said, if the price cross above with a strong momentum, yes, the price can continue to the uptrend. But if the price close below these two areas, guys, we are seeing that the dollar, it's getting in troubles and we can go lower. And I'm gonna show you how low the dollar can go, but not before paying attention what is going to happen right here. But the best bet for the dollar US and Canadian dollar is as soon as the price touch this area, the price can resume to the uptrend. And another clue that the dollar can show us in the next days to see if the price is going up, if you notice this line, let me make it a little bigger and show you what the dollar can do. So that's why I've been telling you guys, if the price find a strong momentum and price and cross above the yellow line right here and close right below this red EMA, the price, like I said before, the price can continue to the uptrend, but not before the price find a strong momentum to the uptrend in this particular area, which the price may find a resistant price. But that is our possibilities that we have for the US dollar, Canadian dollar for this coming week. Hope you like this video. Enjoy your weekend with your family and friends. Share this video, give a like if you find something interesting and educative. Thank you guys and have a wonderful day. And at the end of the video, we'll show some suggestions that you may be interested to see and find very interesting information about Forex and Bitcoin. Thank you guys and have a wonderful end of the weekend.